You're all welcome to Mr. Pro at Large. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equation by using of general formula. General formula is being used to solve any step-on equation, the one that cannot be factorized. Remember the formula? The formula is x squared. The formula is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2b. Let's solve this one. A. Let us get the data now. From here, our A here is 2. What is our B? Our B now is 9 and C is minus 3. What is the equation? What is the formula? The formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If today is the first time of watching my video, please you can go back to my previous video. I have shown you how to derive this formula. So you now impute these values now. So x now equals to minus, what is our b here? 9 minus 9 plus or minus square root of b square. What is b square? That is 9 square minus 4 times a. A is 2 times c minus 3 all over 2 times a, and our a here is 2. So x, so you now simplify minus 9 plus or minus square root of, what is 9 square? 9 square is 81. 81 minus times minus is plus. So this place will be plus. 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 all over 4. 2 times 2. Let us simplify it further. So you have 9 minus 9 plus or minus 81 plus 24. 105. So square root of 105 over 4. Let's continue. So now our x now will be equals to, let us this place. Our x now will be equals to minus 9 plus, you now separate them, minus 9 plus square root of 105 over 4 or minus 9 minus square root of 105 over 4. So x now will be equals to minus 9 plus, so that you now use either calculator or formula table to find the square root of minus the square root of 105 using calculator. So I did it here. I got 10.2495 over 4 or minus 9 minus the same thing, 10.2495 over 4. So now x now will be equals to, you now bring this one together. So negative 9 plus 10.2495, you get 1.24 0.2495 over 4, or here you get minus 19.2495 over 4. So you now divide. If you divide that here, you get from one calculator, I got 0.2424939. Or this one will give you negative 4.81174. It become 0.2494, or negative 4.8117. That is the final